It is the simple step by step that you're going to use to get your topics. Once you open your Amazon website like this, you come to this site, this bestseller. But as you can see, I've installed some of the necessary extensions on my system. So you can see the celestial expander, you can see the KD spy, you can see it, book beam, and several other extensions. Right, so once you come to the Amazon website, you come to bestseller. That is the first thing, but make sure you change this to US. As you can see, so it is very simple. You just click on it and put a USD code. Right, so once you click on bestseller, you will come to books. I want to make it straight to the point and very brief. Right, so you will come to books and click on books. So we are going to be picking all our topics from bestsellers, and this system, this kind of format is very simple. Right, so once you click on books, remember our focus. Let's begin with tech. So we are going to be coming to computers and technology with this here. So click on computer and technology. So I'm going to be cutting the videos short. So it means I'm going to be making like 2 to 3 different videos to complete everything we have to do for today. Alright, so once you come to computer technology, you come to certification. You can see it here. So this is our main focus. This is our area of focus, because this study guide is very lucrative, because there are people buying it for their exams, and there are people buying it to master a particular course. Like some people buy it to master a particular course so that they can get a contract, or so that they can get promotions in a specific area of work. So that's why a very expensive study guide was said. Right, so let's click on certification. And it is one that the certification will be picking some of our words. Alright, so under certification we have some of these words already. We have CompTIA Security Plus certification kits. So we have Exec 2025. You can see these books are bestsellers. You can see this CompTIA. I did this. I modded this book sometimes ago. So this is the one I recently did. So I just finished this one particularly. And you can see the prices here. These prices are very crazy. You can see this paperback is $90.25. You can see this hardcover $43. So these books are very good. Although this one is $18, so it means the page number should definitely be small. This is $43, and you can see their BSR. So I'm able to see all these things because of the extension I installed on my system. So you can see this. The BSR in book is 3,431, and it is number 1 in all these 3 different categories. So you can see we have the CompTIA A Plus Complete Study Guide. I have a book on these two. We have CompTIA Security Plus and several other certification courses. We have CCNA. This is the one I want to start possibly from tomorrow. Alright, so we can pick any of these, but before we pick that, you can still come to this place and knit down again. You can check from this, you can also check from this. Well, let's say for example I want to be taking my own study guide from, let me use security. So I want to be taking my own study guide from security. So I'll just come and pick a book that I believe I can work with. Destination CISSP. I just published this book recently. But my own pricing is more expensive than all of this. So you can see, you can easily come and pick your book here, but you will not just come and pick any random book. So I just show you this in this particular video to know how you can come to pick a book and work on. So in the next video I'm going to be explaining and be showing you the reasons why a book is qualified to be modeled. So you not just come and pick a book and start writing about it. And you can see another secret is you can actually create a series for your book. You can see this kind of this publisher the same person that did this is the same person that did this. Definitely, you can see the name. So you can do it in series. This thing will make a lot of sense. You can do it in series, and the covers will be related, but you make sure you do a perfect book. So you just do everything in series. You cover a lot of certification topics. And once you publish in series, anyone that buy one book might also buy other books, as long as your books are very good. So you can see Security Plus, and you can also come and pick any other one here out of this, because all these now they are under certification. So these are these subtopics under certification. So you can pick from any of these. You can pick from TIA, you can pick from Linux, you can pick from Microsoft, you can pick from Oracle. So this is how to get to where you get your book, without chasing yourself for a research, although it is also very good to research. So we are still going to work on that. So let me stop the video here. In the next video, I will show you how to know the next thing to do after picking a particular book to work on.